going on, guys? It's BJ Bakes, and today we're here with the 1995 Mazda MX-6. This is a 2.5 liter V6 engine, 5-speed manual transmission. It's a great car for starters, I'll tell you that. This car is actually very special to me, because this is actually my first car that I've ever owned. Because of the car's age, it's very hard to come by nowadays, especially for parts. This car's age, believe it or not, it's actually got power windows and a powered sunroof. Let's take a look on the inside of the car. This car comes with a special LS edition. It comes with leather seats, powered windows, and even cruise control. We're going to take a look at everything here. Powered windows work amazingly well. Doesn't matter where you want to put it or which setting. It's actually the small size of the engine, the car only packs around 164 horsepower and 160 foot-pounds of torque. So we're going to fire it off in a minute. It's kind of loud.
Euro spec.
So with that exhaust, we put a straight pipe, no catalytic converter, which makes it technically illegal. But when that time comes around, just throw the cat in. A Bro Speed muffler on the back to give it a little more sound, and that nice chrome tip that you didn't see in the back. Now this car, as you're driving it on the inside, you will get a lot of noise from the outside, which makes it a little hard when you're driving and trying to talk to, for instance, your girlfriend or your boyfriend or all your friends in the car. And especially with the size of this car, it's kind of hard to fit all your friends in there. But when I was going through a little bit of a time through high school and nobody had a car and I was the only person with one, taking friends home was quite a fun. Do a little bit of a takeoff right here. We're going to see how it performs. No downshift into first, because second's always a plus. Coming around the hard part and the bumpy part of the road. Back onto the straight. So that, guys, was the 1995 Mazda MX-6 LS edition, and that is actually the top of the line edition. I forgot to say that in the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to come out with a lot more of those. They're not all going to be sports cars like that one, but they're just going to be cars that I own and stuff like that. And I'm sure that was a fun video for some people who have ridden in that car, because they know all about it and all the shenanigans that have gone through with that car. And I hope to see you guys again, and peace out, homies.